So all this will be made into sultanas, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. But you gotta turn them out the way that.
Yeah.
This is the trick. Okay? Wala kala. See, some of them fallen off, but that's all good. This you can collect them after.
Mm. Some of them have already started.
Well, that's the black one. There was a little bit overripe in here. And I thought I'd put a bit of color in. What do you do with this? I've told you, didn't I?
Hmm?
What do you do? Up, careful.
Yeah.
See, in here is ashes from the fire.
Yeah.
You tie them properly, and you put them in here. Yeah, hold this together so you get.
Yeah.
And you boil it for about 3-4 hours.
Yeah.
With this. Okay, and then you take this off, and you let it settle. The next day you strain it.
Mm-hmm.
I strain it with a double rag.
Yeah.
And then warm it up again, hot enough they can put your hand in.
Yeah.
And you pick them up in one, twice,
Yeah.
finish. And you put a bit of olive oil in to give them a color.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Now, as a rule, I never see bugs. Today I see some bugs on here
Mm.
because this good acid, and that acid doesn't let anything go near this stuff. Don't even have to cover out. But I do cover out at night. I didn't last night, but I will.
And how long do you have it laying out for?
To the dry, complete.
Yeah.
To be like this or more.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta get like that.
Yep.
This is what half cooked in here. So here, I'm gonna get a few tubs and give to everybody. But actually, I still got some in the fridge from last year. See if the thing is, if the grapes are ripe, they come undone. Up here, hardly have any. The birds, they find this area by themselves.
Mm.
They will go stuck into it. And you see this creeper coming up there? Up on the thing there?
Yeah.
That's like the one is on the top of the chukyard.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if the seed must drop over there or something. And there's another one at the front which I want to transport. I'll make this in the cabin over there.
Mm.
So that's it. You see everything,
There you go.